When your tomatoes meet the right machine, the result is sauce that tastes like it came from a true Italian kitchen. The secret often comes down to the juicer or strainer that's being used. A great tomato juicer doesn't just save you time, it transforms the texture, flavor, and overall experience of your homemade sauces, juices, and preserves. Today, we're diving into some of the best tomato juicers available right now, each offering its own unique strengths. And if you want to check the current prices or learn more about any of these products, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description box below. Stick around until the end because you'll want to see which one fits your kitchen best. Let's begin with the Newhai electric tomato strainer. This is a commercial-grade stainless steel machine that's built for serious tomato processing. From the moment you set it on your counter, you'll notice its solid, durable construction that promises years of reliable use. The large hopper makes it easy to load in generous amounts of tomatoes, which is a real advantage if you're working with garden harvests or preparing batches for canning. Instead of stopping constantly to refill, you can keep a steady rhythm going, which makes the whole process feel seamless and efficient. The motor is powerful enough to handle large volumes of tomatoes without strain, separating juice and pulp with precision. What you get is a smooth, seed-free tomato juice that's ideal for sauces, soups, or fresh drinking juice. It's satisfying to watch it work because the output feels almost effortless, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can process a big batch. Cleaning is also straightforward thanks to the stainless steel design with smooth surfaces that rinse clean easily. If you're looking for a professional-grade strainer that makes large-scale tomato processing easy, the Newhai is a fantastic option. Now, moving on to the Breville Juice Fountain Plus, which is a versatile juicer that handles tomatoes beautifully while also excelling with a wide range of fruits and vegetables. Powered by an 850-watt motor, it gives you the strength to juice soft produce like tomatoes with ease, while also tackling harder fruits like apples or carrots. The dual speed control lets you adjust depending on what you're juicing, which is especially handy if you like experimenting with blends. One of its most user-friendly features is the extra-wide 3-inch feed chute. Instead of chopping tomatoes into tiny pieces, you can drop in whole tomatoes or large chunks, saving you prep time and making the juicing process feel smooth and relaxed. Inside, a stainless steel cutting disc paired with a micro mesh filter ensures maximum juice extraction while preserving nutrients. The result is a fresh, vibrant tomato juice that tastes like it came straight from the garden. Cleanup is also simple, with dishwasher-safe parts and an intuitive design that makes assembly and disassembly quick. The Breville is ideal if you want one machine that can handle tomatoes just as well as it handles your morning juice blends. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Next up is the OMRA Spremy electric tomato strainer, a compact yet powerful machine designed specifically for tomatoes. Its cast iron, stainless steel, and nylon construction gives it both durability and lightness, making it easy to move and store while still feeling sturdy in use. If you have a smaller kitchen but still want a dedicated tomato strainer, this strikes a great balance between performance and convenience. The motor is designed for consistent operation, automatically separating juice from skins and seeds as you feed in your tomatoes. The result is a silky, seed-free juice that's perfect for traditional Italian sauces or soups. You'll appreciate how quickly it transforms raw tomatoes into a smooth base, and because it's compact, it doesn't dominate your counter space. Cleaning is simple thanks to its thoughtful design, and the mix of materials makes it both hygienic and practical. The OMRA Spremy is a great option if you want a dedicated tomato strainer that's compact, efficient, and easy to use. It's especially rewarding if you love making homemade sauces and want that authentic, smooth texture without hassle. Now let's talk about the VBENLEM electric tomato strainer, which combines stainless steel durability with strong performance. Designed with a commercial-style build, It's a machine that feels stable and reliable from the moment you start using it. The stainless steel body not only looks impressive, but also makes cleaning quick and easy since pulp doesn't cling stubbornly to the surfaces. The motor provides steady, powerful performance, allowing you to process large amounts of tomatoes without interruption. You'll notice how smoothly it separates juice from seeds and skins, giving you a pure tomato base that's ready for cooking or preserving. This efficiency is especially valuable during harvest season, when you might be processing tomatoes daily. Because it's designed to stay stable on your countertop, you don't have to worry about wobbling or shifting while you work. This makes the experience stress-free and efficient, letting you focus on the quality of your juice. If you want a reliable stainless steel strainer that feels professional but works beautifully in a home kitchen, the VBENLEM is an excellent choice. Finally, we come to the Angel Juicer AG7500, which is often considered one of the most advanced juicers available. Entirely made from food-grade stainless steel, it has the look and feel of a precision instrument rather than just another appliance. It's built to last, with every part designed for hygiene, durability, and performance. When you place it on your counter, you'll immediately notice the craftsmanship. One of its standout features is the anti-jamming auto-reverse function, which clears blockages without interrupting your juicing. This is especially useful when working with thicker batches of tomatoes, as it ensures smooth, continuous operation. The AG7500 also uses advanced extraction technology, including SHG, shattering helical gear, and LSCS, low-speed cone screw, which work together to maximize nutrient retention and juice yield. The result is tomato juice that's not only smooth and flavorful, but also rich in vitamins and minerals. Cleanup is surprisingly simple for such a high-end machine, with dishwasher-safe parts and easy assembly. If you want the very best in juicing technology and performance, the Angel Juicer AG7500 gives you a premium experience that's hard to match. So, there you have it, 5 incredible juicers that each bring something unique to the table. From the heavy-duty power of the Newhai to the premium craftsmanship of the Angel Juicer, each one can transform the way you process tomatoes. Whether you're looking for compact convenience, versatile functionality, or professional-grade results, there's an option here for you. Don't forget, links to the current prices for each of these products are in the description box below, so you can explore them further. Which of these juicers do you see yourself using in your own kitchen? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching until the end.